Hello everyone, welcome to 369 Chemistry, and in this video I'm going to discuss that last question which I said that why the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, which is corresponding to the anhydride, is only used in your Perkins reaction and not any other sodium salt of any other acetic acid is not used. Only though that acetic anhydride which we are going to use for Perkins reaction, the sodium salt of the same acetic anhydride is used. And why it is so? So it was a very important question. Why? Because see, when we do the mechanism, last time I told you, after doing the mechanism, you'll understand. So while doing the mechanism, we are seeing that anhydride is always used firstly, the sodium salt of acetic acid first takes up hydrogen from the acetic anhydride, and it gives you an anion which is resonance stabilized. Then this anion goes and attacks your carbon of your aldehydes or ketones. Okay, so that time this anhydride, which is which is used now, it is always in reaction medium. We are getting you can say the acetic acid is always released, or you can say many times we are seeing the small molecule which comes out of the reaction. It is always your acetic acid. Okay, so if you have acetic acid, or you can say the sodium salt of that acid, actually comes out in the reaction medium several times in the medium. So now if suppose different alkyl groups are used, okay, if suppose different alkyl groups are used, or you can say different salt if we are taking other than the anhydride which we are using, that time the alkyl group of the salt or the salt will exchange itself with the alkyl group of the anhydride. Okay, then we are going to face problem, because we are going to get two different product. We are going to get your two different alpha beta unsaturated product as in the reaction medium, and we will not be able to separate them. So it's better we use the same anhydride, or you can say we should use the same salt of sodium salt of acid, same anhydride which we are using in while doing the reaction mechanism. So if I say, if the salt of an acid not corresponding to the anhydride is used, then the following type of exchange may take place at a higher temperature. That means if you see this reaction, that is 2R-COONA, and this is your acetic acid, acetic anhydride, and then now see it is exchanging. This alkyl group of the acetic anhydride is now going with the alkyl group of your acid and forming in the reaction medium, and then the alkyl group of the acid now goes and forms the anhydride. So there is two different anhydride is forming in the reaction, two different anhydrides, so two different product will be formed. As a result, both the anhydride condenses with the aldehyde to give the mixture of product, and because of this, the salt of the corresponding acid to the anhydride is always used in Perkins reaction. In many named reaction also, you will always see the salt of the same reagent is always used, or else what happens, the product becomes different and the separation of those products is very, very difficult. Okay, so explain why the base, there is another question, explain why the base, that is NaOC2H5 and NaOH, cannot be used in your Perkins reaction. Okay, why? Because see, this is also base C2H5ONA, right? This is also base, and then sodium hydroxide. This cannot be used in Perkins reaction. That means either more number of alkyl groups should be there, okay, or to be in the anhydride, or anything else. Because there is a reason why the base NaOC2H5 and NaOH cannot be used, because see, this OC2H5, this now goes, and because it is a very strong base, what will it do? It will go and hamper the anhydride. It will first go and react with the anhydride, rather going for reacting, it by rather taking up hydrogen. It will go and it will go and attack the electron deficient carbon of your anhydride. Okay, and see this kind of product it is forming. So you can say there is two different anhydride is formed. in this kind of reactions. So this kind of bases we are not going to use in your Perkins reaction. So these are the two most important questions which always comes in exams, or you can say in your competitive examination it will be there, so that to test your IQ, that whether you really know it deeply or not. Okay, so it is very much easier also to remember. See, if OH is also there, this is also going to go and attack here, forming this intermediate. Now this O minus comes into the ring and separates out the other side. Okay, and you are getting one acid and another, you are getting your another anion you are getting. So these are the two bases which cannot be used in your Perkins reaction. So these are the two most important questions which there. And then in next video, we are going to solve some of the most important questions which came in your examination. Thank you so much.